Hello everyone, it's been a while. How's everyone been? I've been doing great. Recently I turned 25, so I decided to have a solo birthday party. Here are the ingredients for the cheesecake. I'm obsessed with it. First, beat 200 grams of cream cheese until it's soft and smooth. Next, add 60 grams of sugar and mix until well combined. Then crack 2 eggs into the bowl. Mix well. Next, add 3 tablespoons of flour. When I was a student, I used to bake a lot. Recently, I've started making simple desserts again. Add 200 ml of heavy cream. I don't even want to think about how many calories are in this. It's definitely over 1000 calories. In Japan, summer has started and I've been struggling with the summer heat. When I was a kid, I really loved summer, but as I get older, I like it less and less. One of the reasons is that the temperature and UV rays seem to get stronger every year. So staying at home in an air-conditioned room while eating ice cream is much more comfortable for me than going to crowded places in the heat. Finally, add 20 grams of melted butter. I guess pastry chefs melt butter over hot water, but that's too hassle for me, so I usually use the microwave instead. By the way, it's been 6 months since I came to Tokushima Prefecture. Time really flies. Tokushima is one of the 4 prefectures in the Shikoku region. I've already visited Ehime, Kagawa, and Tokushima prefectures. So, Kochi is the only prefecture I have left to explore. I'm thinking of taking a 4-day trip to Kochi in October. Kochi is famous for its beautiful coastline, the Nyodo River, the Shimanto River, and the fresh bonito, so I'm really looking forward to enjoying all of them. The cheesecake batter is ready. Let's bake it in the rice cooker. Wow, it looks so delicious. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it to turn out this good. I chilled the cheesecake in the fridge overnight, and to be honest, I already ate 1/3 of it yesterday. Now it's time to decorate the cheesecake. I bought a pink chocolate decorating pen and some decorations for it. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yay! Maybe I'll celebrate my 26th birthday in the Kyushu region. Have a great day. Bye!